This is the new Redmi Note 6 Pro. Okay, it's rose gold. It's new Redmi Note 6 Pro rose gold. So we are going to review and give away. Okay, ये वीडियो को अंत तक देखो गिव अवे के लिए. फर्स्टली अपन देखेंगे फेस अनलॉक. ओके, स्टार्ट. It's very quick face unlock. It's very quick, and now we'll see the fingerprint. Okay. Fingerprint also is very quick, and now we are going to show you camera. We have taken some samples. So this is taken in Redmi Note 6 Pro. So in this sample you can see that edges are detected nicely. You can see edges are detected nicely. Redmi Note 6 Pro. And in the night time I'll show you one sample which is taken at night time. So this is at 8 o'clock it's taken. So you can see, friends, how the clarity. It's very nice. Redmi Note 6 Pro. Here you can see watermark. It's very good. We are starting in Redmi Note 6 Pro. Okay, it's starting. Okay, now we are playing PUBG game in Redmi Note 6 Pro.
Everything changes.
Life.
Very good. And it's Redmi. we have completed PUBG game and camera test and everything. So now I am declaring or announcing the giveaway. So this giveaway with terms and conditions. The first term and condition is that you have to mention in the comment why do you want this Redmi Note 6 Pro. It is a rose gold, so you will get a new mobile which costs 14,000 rupees. So please comment in the comment section why do you want this mobile. So maximum like, share, subscribe. You have to subscribe to this channel and you have to share. You have to comment in the comment section why do you want this mobile. So one lucky winner wins the Redmi Note 6 Pro, 4GB RAM, 64GB internal. Okay, the date is December 2. The giveaway starts from today to January 25th. So approximately it's 45 to 50 days. So on January 25th the winners will be announced from this website. So please subscribe to this channel and get the new Redmi Note 6 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.